here is the market stat update for August. We're actually looking at July data. So this is our most recent data. And the black line is 98177, our zip code. And the green line is Shoreline as a whole. We're looking for one-bedroom condos. And so what we're seeing for the median sales price is that it did trend upward a little bit. Here in July, it shot up, probably just due to the low number of transactions, sort of pulling the average up to 530,000. And in Shoreline, it went up a little bit from 267 to 297. So we have such a small amount of data. I wouldn't put a lot of stock in this, but at least it's going in the right direction. Okay, new listings, similar in our band here. We're kind of going between 1 and 0 new listings every month in our zip codes. And in Shoreline, there's a relatively high number of new listings. Right here, looks like 6 new listings in the month of July. Homes for sale, this is our inventory. You can see the trend higher in the spring, but we're kind of on a slope here where it's trending higher overall. We're at 8 right now, down from our annual high of 11. I guess my point is that we're seeing a fairly high level of inventory relative to previous years. But it did go down a little bit. We're the only ones left here in 98177. Closings, similar amount of closings, 1 or 0, 1 or 0. And then in Shoreline, a high number of closings, 4 closings in the month of July. Median days on market. We're staying in our bands, but overall it's trending down. This is not great, right? 85 in our zip code, but we're contributing to that. And then Shoreline 22. So anyway, we are seeing this go up, but we just have so little data. I mean, it's within the range of what we've been seeing for all of the year. But it's nice to see, at least in Shoreline, it's staying low for a couple months there. Percent of list price. So homes are selling at 97% or 99% of list price. So we are seeing a little bit of discounting going on as opposed to multiple offers. And the longer that you're on the market at the same price, especially the more aggressive people will be with their discounting. Percentage is the same number. Okay, dollar volume shows. So 8, we're still a little bit shy of that. We haven't had any showings, it didn't look like, in the last week or 2 here. So anyway, we're hoping that we sort of see things ramp up in September. And otherwise, we have plans to handle that. But this is just the update. I wanted to make sure you guys had the most recent information. So I'll talk with you soon and hope you have a great week.